Scammers go after $112,000 from elderly, walk right into police trap officers, set up a sting to catch scammers targeting the elderly. In the grandparent scam, the scammers pretend to be a family member in legal trouble, convincing an elderly couple to send $122,000 for bail. The couple agrees to provide the money, but grows suspicious and contacts the police.
Silver car starting around. Atkins has him on the ground. Everybody move in.
Control 86 is after the silver Malibu.
He's hauling ass. He's turning around. Silver car is coming back to the intersection toward the house. He's going to be coming right up on you.
Get out of the car! Stop! Get your hands up! Show me your hands!
Do y'all have the guy covered anyway?
I'm taking him down now. Do not move.
Can't afford another.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. 1095.
We're 1095.
Guns, I got scared. Who got a gun? I got scared. I'm so sorry.
Why did you pull out a gun?
No, when you had first pulled up in front of me.
Why did you pull out a gun?
I don't think that was a gun. I didn't know.
Not yet. Radio clear?
I had seen a gun. I'm so sorry.
Channel 41095 voice.
No, I seen a. That's what I'm saying. I seen a gun. I got scared, bro.
Radio units, north is 1039, north is back in service.
Radio, go ahead and start a Wist record, please.
Saw the blue light before I even got out of the car.
No, I seen a gun. I'm
You didn't
so
see
sorry.
nothing but the blue lights.
Oh, so sorry.
Before I even pulled that gun out, before I even got out of the car, my blue lights were on.
I didn't see them. I'm so
Why are you up here?
Huh? I got lost. I was heading back to the city.
Here's a little backstory. After calling the police, the couple is instructed to play along while the officers set up surveillance. On the pickup day, the scammers arrive at the house. Unaware they're walking into a trap.
Well, how you? Place right there?
Radio 27 out of New York.
Oh, right there.
Now let me check the car real quick before you stuff in there.
Hey, is anybody with Atkins?
Atkins and what's his name up there, Newberry.
Okay. Yeah, I'll go up there.
Meanwhile, a second suspect is apprehended at the victim's house as their accomplice attempts to flee the scene.
Yo. You anything on you that's gonna hurt poker stick me?
Man, my car was in like all-wheel drive. When it shift, I was like,
That was good right there.
and then finally when I hit shift, then I,
advised that is a rental vehicle. Returns on a 2021 Chevy 4-door silver in color.
Hey, y'all search the trunk.
Alamo financing. Insurance information not on file. NSR.
What's up, man? No, we're towing that car.
We going to the office? Huh?
ID. All this is definitely going.
That's getting seized because that's all probably from the last hit they got last week.
I got to find numbers in the car.
Yeah, he's got cash on him.
How much you know?
Not much.
It has to be over 1,000.
Maybe, I don't think so. He's in that. Yeah, so one's in mine. The other one's in that one. They should be.
Yeah, I already knew he was in the car.
What? Oh, you're not working. No.
You had the other guy in your car?
Yeah. Control 86 radio.
Please advise Barrow County we've got a suspect in a suspect car.
We're going to have charges.
Yeah, absolutely. But I mean, they can stop looking for it.
Yeah, because they're going to...
As the suspects are being prepared for transport, the officers discuss the incident among themselves.
Well, you know what started all this? So last week I worked a day of overtime. They popped an older lady for 18 grand.
Yeah, that's the one
And I called Smith. When I heard that, I was like, bro, call CID on that one. That's major fraud. I'm like, called him. He's like, you think they'll come out? I'm like, yes.
I showed up to it. Yeah.
So then when I heard this one come out, and I was like, hey, Vaughn, call CID, because if they haven't shown up already, I'm like,
We thought they weren't ever going to show up. This all started at 12 o'clock.
well, the thing is somebody already fell for it once, so they're getting greedy.
That whole car down there.
Oh yeah, so does he.
I just wonder where they're staying.
You've got a fire ant on your hat inside the room.
I wonder where they're staying.
Oh, they're staying at the Hyatt.
Where at?
I would assume Atlanta.
That was good. Good job, man.
I told you I was come running.
So what are we charging them with?
We're going to charge them with 2 counts of, it's going to be fraud, and then we're also going to hit them with,
I'm taking fleeing and eluding.
Yeah.
So that's my charge.
yeah, we're good. We got the fraud, and we're going to hit them with, we're going to look back again, but whatever we can charge them with as far as the elderly goes.
How old are these folks?
They're old.
Are they?
She turned 79 this month.
That just made everything worth it, though.
Oh, yeah.
What time did we start this at? 11?
It was
11:41.
because we got set up at 12:15.
Yeah, we were an hour ahead of you guys.
It was his idea.
Nah, y'all.
He deserves an award.
You kidding me? I didn't do any work. All I did was remember that something happened on a day I worked overtime.
What should have been an easy money operation quickly turns into a trip to jail for the scammers.
Hey, you want this Hyatt card for a search warrant?
Yeah, I'll take it. It's hard telling what's inside that room.
No, tell him.
There could be probably
Mountains of cash.
$100,000.
Yeah.
Oh, there's gonna be some money.
Seizure, bro. Seizure. Patrol 86 radio. Same traffic.
2-4. Radio, Patrol 86, be advised, Bolo's back on the screen.
And on non-radio, I'm clear. We're 53 something.
Cat me real quick.
Yeah.
Hop on out.
Huh?
Hop on out. Right back here. Right back here. You ever been to Hall County before?
No, so
You ever been to jail before at all? No? All right. Come on to that door right there.
do I get a lawyer?
Yeah.
So what am I going to drop over like what?
Right now you're going to jail for fleeing and eluding, but the investigators have gotten involved. They're going to take the charges.
Honestly, I got scared.
You got a what?
So all I seen was a black car. I thought I seen a gun or chase, whatever it was. All I seen was something pull out pointing towards me. I ain't know so no.
Okay, you didn't drop that guy off though.
Huh?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna get all that. Or you can write it down for me. And the case number.
The officer then explains the charges to the suspect.
What is this for again, you said? What are you charged with?
So fleeing and eluding.
And what is that?
Like fleeing from the police.
No, but like, what is that considered?
That's a misdemeanor. And then some kind of fraud. So where are y'all staying? Where are y'all staying? Which one?
Staying at a Hyatt.
I mean, like, what do you know where?
I kind of forgot the area.
Like Lawrenceville or Atlanta?
Like by Atlanta. It's like in Atlanta, like about. I can't tell you.
Remember a street?
No, don't remember the street.
So is it off the interstate?
Like by the airport? I think look at the airport. The Hyatt.
Is it the Hyatt Airport?
No, y'all
from New York.
Nah, y'all from
Okay.
New York, so I don't understand like
What are y'all doing here, like in my neighborhood?
Oh,
Huh?
really?
Really? What?
You just ripped it out of my book?
I did.
Excuse
Man,
me.
you are foul.
that's what he does, right?
He is. He's foul. What's up? What's up? You are foul. Mine in too, and
They're co-defendants. I don't see why not, but they just can't be housed together.
hold on. Give me a second. Let me get this one out. When you enter the room, take a left. Face the wall. See those yellow footprints right there? Don't say a word to each other.
The mastermind was charged with fleeing reckless driving obstruction and elder exploitation, while 107,001 hour, 7 minutes, his accomplice faced elder exploitation charges. Both were sentenced to 10 years with 6 months in incarceration, and the 107,071 hour, 7 minutes, 7 seconds, rest on probation.